often end too cold, but you aren't even listening, 'cause you are just too old to feel an earthquake, too cool to even care, but you aren't even listening, so why should I? Natural disaster, but I've wanted you too much, and now I'm gonna lose. I've wanted you too much, and now I've gotta choose. You're the cause of all this, and I'm sick of trying to please you. Like a broken dam, you're empty, and all that's left are the sticks and the stones that were built by other people, and it really shows. And you aren't even listening, 'cause you are just